Today is July 10th, 2025, and here's your latest update on Valens Semiconductor Limited, ticker symbol VLN, a company at the intersection of connectivity and automotive chip technology. VLN is currently trading around $2.68 per share, with recent sessions showing a relatively stable trend after a volatile start to the year. The stock's 52-week range is between $1.67 and $3.50, and it's currently sitting above both its 50-day and 200-day moving averages, which are $2.39 and $2.26 respectively. The 14-day RSI is at 69.38, indicating the stock is approaching overbought territory. Looking at the sentiment and forecasts, the short-term outlook is mixed. On one hand, current sentiment is bullish, and technicals show the stock in a positive trend. However, the Fear and Greed Index sits at 39, signaling underlying caution in the market. Only 40% of the last 30 trading days have closed in the green, and volatility remains high at nearly 8%. Analyst forecasts for the next month are notably bearish. The average price target for August 2025 is $1.57, representing a potential 38% drop from today's price, with some models forecasting even steeper declines in the months ahead. Longer-term projections are more optimistic, with some analysts expecting the stock to recover and even surpass current levels by 2030, but the near-term risk is pronounced. Fundamentally, Valens recently issued guidance for 2025, projecting revenue between $71 million and $76 million, which would mark 23 to 31% year-over-year growth. The company is aiming for $220 million to $300 million in revenue by 2029, suggesting confidence in its long-term pipeline and market position. Here's a trading strategy for VLN in this environment. For short-term traders, the technicals suggest VLN is overbought, and analyst targets point to a possible pullback. Consider taking profits if you're holding gains, or look for short opportunities if the price starts to break below support levels. Use tight stop-loss orders to manage risk, as volatility is high and sentiment could shift quickly. For longer-term investors, if you believe in Valens' growth story and the expanding automotive connectivity market, consider using any near-term weakness as a chance to build a position gradually. Focus on the company's revenue growth and execution against its long-term targets. Stay alert for earnings updates and news on major contract wins, as these could drive significant moves in either direction. In summary, VLN is at a crossroads. Short-term technicals and analyst forecasts suggest caution, but the long-term growth story remains intact. Manage your risk, watch for volatility, and keep an eye on company fundamentals. If you found this update helpful, like and subscribe for more timely stock insights. See you in the next video.